Here on my channel, I'm going to show you how to rob a bank legally. Oh, I can't say that. Hey, what's happening? I'm Tim J, and guess what? I done started my own YouTube channel and my own podcast. Podcast is be on Apple Podcasts and on Podcast One, and on YouTube, I will be doing a lot. You'll be able to see me run all 5 of my companies. You'll also get to learn how to start a business, how to run a business properly, and if you're already a business owner, how to become an entrepreneur. Now, what should I name my YouTube channel? How about Tim J Means Business? And my podcast? Tim J 101. That's what it's going to be. And guess what? I want you guys to subscribe right now because my main goal is to make you successful and to make you what? Money. On my podcast channel, it's going to be live because I'll be interviewing entertainers, celebrities, business owners, multimillionaires, billionaires, and small business owners. Subscribe to my channel, and guess what, y'all? Let's begin.